Hello students. Okay, coming with a video on vectors. Okay, we'll be discussing about that applications of triangular law of vector addition, or you can say parallelogram law of vector additions. I hope you have gone through my theory classes. Okay, and now you are ready to do some numericals. Okay, I'm coming with you with some that on numericals. Okay, some homework also will be given to you, and I'm sure you are going to submit back the homework. Okay guys, see you. Let's see. Okay, let us discuss some problems on vectors today. Okay, numerical problems. And remember, once a numerical problem is done, immediately I'll give you a homework also, and you will certainly submit that homework at this WhatsApp number. Okay, good. Say first question is the greatest and the greatest. You please write down. And the least resultant and the least resultant of two forces acting at a point is 10 Newton and 6 Newton respectively. Okay, respectively. If each forces is increased by 3 Newton, find the resultant of new forces when acting at a point perpendicular to each other. Okay, that is my question. If you can calculate, you just give a pause to the video and you try yourself, then go to the solution. Okay, I'll do it now, no problem. You see the greatest value, remember two vectors give the greatest resultant when they act on the same line, same direction, and they give the least resultant when they act on opposite direction. As you know the formula for resultant in vector, na? That is what, say A is one vector, B is another vector, so it will be A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay, and for R maximum the answer becomes A plus B, theta it becomes 0 degree. This thing is already discussed. Okay, and for R minimum the result becomes A minus B and theta becomes 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree and 0 degree. Okay, so in this question say one vector is A, another vector is B. So according to the question A plus B is 10 and A minus B is 6. Are you getting? Okay, just adding them, what I get, it is 16. A is equal 8. So value of one vector is understood, and putting the value of A somewhere, what I get, B is equal say A is 8, no? B is equal 10 minus 8. Okay, 10 minus 8 means I am getting 2. The value of B is 2. Okay, now what I do, I increase both the vectors by 3 Newton. Okay, so what will be the new vector? The new vector will become, say the new vector is A dash, so A dash will become 8 plus 3 means 11. Okay, 11. and b dash is 2 plus 3, it becomes 5, and it is given that the two vectors are at right angle to each other. Okay, this is a dash and this is b dash. So what will be the resultant? The new resultant is to be calculated. As you understand, the new resultant will be, say, r dash. You can directly squaring and adding, you can do like that also, or if you go with the basic format, so a dash square b dash square plus 2a dash b dash cos theta. So theta is the angle between a dash and b dash, so it will be 90 degree. Okay, cos 90 degree, cos 90 0, so this part will automatically be vanished. So a dash square plus b dash square. So you can put the value of a dash b dash. Okay, what is the a dash? A dash is 11 square. What is b dash? That is 5 square. So after solving it, you can get new resultant is under root 146, I think. Okay, so that is the answer. Are you getting it? So that way we have to solve the problem. Okay, good. With this concept, you take one homework, okay, for you. So let me rub it all these things. You just copy, giving a pause to the video or rewind it whenever required. So my question is, homework is, say the greatest and least resultant value of two vector is, say it is 12 Newton, say it is something 5 Newton. Okay, and if each forces is increased by, say 2 Newton, find the resultant of new forces when acting at a single point, at an angle say 60 degree to each other. Okay, so I need this answer from you. I hope you are going to give me the answer. Okay, you write it and just solve it and submit it back in the WhatsApp number. Good. Let me discuss another problem. Okay, I am going to make short videos only. I think then only student gets comfortable actually. So let me do the second problem. Question number, say, 2, today's discussion. Okay, the question is, you also copy the question. Two equal forces have their resultant equal to either. Okay, equal to either. What is the angle between them? What is the angle between them? That is a very common and important question also. Okay, good. You can give a pause and you try first, then go with my solution, but I will do, no problem. Two equal forces means their magnitude is equal. Okay, though they are saying two equal forces, but the feel of the question is that they are equal in magnitude. Okay, but normally if two forces are equal, two vectors are equal, their magnitude also should be same and the direction also should be same. So that is a limitation of the questions. We have to understand the feel of this and nothing else. Their magnitude is equal. Okay, so what is the angle between them? You see what they are saying. Say this is one vector, something f, and this is also one vector whose magnitude is also f, and it is found that the resultant is also of the length f. Okay, then what was the angle between them? This angle we need to find out. Okay, so simply you write, we know r equals a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. We know from the triangular law of vector addition or parallelogram law of vector addition. This is the most important formula of the vector chapter. Okay. Now the resultant is also f. A is also f. B is also f. F cos theta. Theta is unknown. So this will become f square 2f square 2f square cos theta. Okay, f square, if you take 2f square common, 1 plus cos theta. Okay, f square can be cut down. Okay, so 2 can be brought down, 1 plus cos theta. It means cos theta equals half minus 1. See, cos theta equal minus half, and you know cos theta equal minus half when it is cos 120 degree. So this is already discussed in the basic mathematics part. So if you want, you can go for that also, that topic. So theta is equal 120 degree. Remember, this is the most common question. Okay, normally it is asked. Okay, so this is the answer. If two equal vectors of equal magnitude inclined at 120 to each other, okay, the resultant is also become of the same magnitude. Okay, very good. So from that concept you can take one homework also. Get ready for that. Okay, your homework will be take it, just give a modification on this question only, no problem. That is the homework. Two equal forces have their resultant equal to, say, √3 times the either. √3 times the either. Okay, find the angle between them. Nothing else. Two equal forces, say this is F, this is F. Okay, but the resultant is √3 F. Okay, now you need to find out what is the angle between F and F. Okay, the initial inclination of the two vectors you need to find out. Great. So you'll do it yourself and submit. Good. Then come to another question. Question number 3. Say two forces whose magnitude are in the ratio 3:5, say, okay, give a resultant 28 Newton. If the angle of their inclination is 60 degree, find the magnitude of each vector. Okay, find the magnitude of each vector. Very easy question, you can try once. Okay, let's go with my solution. Two vectors inclined at 60 degree. Okay, this is one vector, this is another vector. Okay, so this length is x. If it is 3x, it will be 5x. Okay, because their ratio is 3:5. Say one vector is of 3x, another vector is of 5x. Are you getting? And their inclination is 60. Okay, and this is 60, and the resultant is 28 Newton. So from that formula, which is very important, we are doing it. Say we know r square equal a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b into cos theta, but theta this time will be 60 degree, na? And the resultant is given as 28. So you just solve it. It is 9x square, it is 25x square, okay, 30x square, and it is half, okay. So after solving it, you can solve yourself. 28 square, it will be like that, 7x square, okay. You can solve it. So 28 equal to 7x, so x equal to 4. Therefore one vector is A is equal 3x, na? 3 into 4, so that is 12. As it is 4, so you can write 12 Newton. And other vector B is equal, that is 5x, na? X was the common factor between them, so 5 into 4, that is 20 Newton. Okay, great. And you take another problem of this time as a homework, okay, and you please submit it, huh? That is very important. I have to know whether you are doing or not, okay. Thank you. Okay, nothing, just you have to modify the same question only, and that way you can also create some questions for yourself, nothing else. Say two forces whose magnitude are in the ratio of, say, 1:2, okay. Give a resultant of, say, something, take 20 Newton, okay. Some answer will be there. I don't know what is the answer. If the angle between their magnitude, say, inclination is, now you can say, take 30 degree, okay. Find the magnitude of each vector, okay. Get the answer and submit me. Okay, guys, we'll come with a new video in the some new numericals in the next video. Okay, thank you.